Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nachos. First, select a sturdy tortilla chip that can hold up to all your delicious toppings. Next, choose a cheese that melts well, like cheddar or Monterey Jack. Finally, gather and prepare all your desired toppings, ensuring everything is ready to go before you start assembling. This preparation makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Once your chips are on a baking sheet, it's time to layer. Start with a generous sprinkle of cheese, then add your cooked meats, beans, or vegetables. Don't be shy with the toppings. Ensure every chip gets some love. For a truly epic plate, you can even add a second layer of chips and toppings. This ensures maximum flavor in every bite. Now bake your nachos in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Once out of the oven, add fresh garnishes like chopped cilantro, diced tomatoes, or sliced jalapenos. Serve them immediately to enjoy the warm, gooey cheese and crisp chips. They are best enjoyed fresh. The beauty of nachos is their versatility. Feel free to experiment with various cheeses, like pepper jack for a kick, or different proteins such as shredded chicken or pulled pork. Offer a selection of sauces on the side, like salsa, guacamole, or sour cream. Adjust the spice level with different peppers or hot sauces to create your perfect, personalized nacho experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.